Hello everyone, I'm Edna Abringab and I will going to share with you the working with shapes. By using shapes, there are several instructions that we need to follow so that our works may result in proper way of doing. But before we start, let us first open the Microsoft Word 2013. Word's large shape collection allows you to organize and design the image you want. While you may need shapes in every document you create, they can add visual appeal. To use shapes effectively, you'll need to know how to insert a shape and format it by changing its fill color, outline color, and shape style, as well as add 3D effects. First, to insert a shape, select the Insert tab. Click the Shapes command. Select a shape from the drop-down menu. Click and drag the mouse until the shape is the desired size. Release the mouse button. Second, to resize a shape, click the shape to select it. Click and drag one of the sizing handles on the corners and sides of the shape until it is the desired size. To rotate the shape, drag the green handle. Some shapes also have one or more yellow handles that can be used to modify the shape. For example, with star shapes, you can adjust the length of the points. If you drag the sizing handles on any of four corners, you will be able to change the height and width at the same time. The sizing handles on the top or bottom of the shape will only allow you to resize vertically, while the handles on the left and right sides will resize the shape horizontally. And next, let us insert two another shapes as an example to change the order of shapes. If one shape overlaps another, you may need to change the ordering so the correct shape appears in front. You can bring a shape to the front or send it to the back. If you have multiple images, you can use bring forward or send backward to fine-tune the ordering. You can also move a shape in front of behind text. Right-click the shape you want to move. In the menu that appears, over bring to front or send to back, several ordering options will appear. Select the design ordering option. The shapes will reorder themselves. And that is the proper way by working with shapes or using by shapes. Thank you, and I hope you learned.